wake up. To stop sleeping and get out of bed in the morning. I wake up and smile next to my alarm clock. Get dressed. To put on clothes, I get dressed with a colorful shirt and pants. Have breakfast. To eat the first meal of the day. We have breakfast with cereal and toast at the table. Go to work, go to school. To leave home for work or school, I go to school with my backpack. Free time. Time when you can play and relax. I play outside in the park during free time. Go to bed. To get into bed to sleep, I go to bed and sleep peacefully at night. Usually. Something you do most of the time, like almost every day. I usually go to work at 8 a.m. Always. Something you do every single time, with no exceptions. I always brush my teeth every morning. Sometimes. Something you do only a few times, not always. I sometimes read a book on the couch. Never. Something you do not do at all, not even once. I never eat candy. At 7 o'clock. The exact time when the clock shows 7 o'clock, I wake up at 7 o'clock when the clock shows it. In the morning. The time of day after midnight and before noon. When you wake up, I wake up in the morning when the sun rises. Activity 1. Matching. Match the words to the picture. Activity 2. Adverbs of frequency. Listen to Bob talk about his activities.
I usually start my day with a strong cup of coffee. I always take a moment to watch the sunset. Sometimes I can't stop reading a good book. I never forget to call my family.
Activity 3. Using adverbs of frequency. Write about your daily activities in the comments section using adverbs of frequency. Every comment will get a reply. Activity 4. Listen to the questions, then listen to how Bob answers. Then answer for yourself. Do you usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
Now it's your turn. Do you always have breakfast in the morning?
I always eat breakfast in the morning.
Now it's your turn. Do you sometimes get dressed slowly in your free time?
I sometimes dress slowly in my free time.
Now it's your turn. Do you never go to bed early after going to work or school?
I never go to bed early after work.
Hi, I'm Teacher Dan. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you.